Next, madam.
Next, madam. Down small. Small, madam, for only 169. Mine DP. Mine DP, madam. Small, madam, for only 169. Mine DP. Small, madam, for only 169. Mine DP. Small, madam, 169. Next, madam.
Hello, Madam Marlene Terrado. Good afternoon, Madam Marlene. Madam Marlene, hindi ako sure daw kung meron pang natira. Pero meron po kaming na-flex na ganyan, Madam, kaninang morning. Kaso na-mine po, Madam. Next, Madam. Madam, Marisa Alolod, yours is si Bodycon. 149 pesos lang po, Madam. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. For only 149. Next, Madam. For only 169 pesos. Wait lang, Dam. Wait, Dam. Ang ganda nito, Dam. Super nice to, Madam. Cute siya. Ayan. Uy, small to medium. Ang ganda. Small to medium, 149 pesos. Mine alas. Mine alas, small to medium. For only 149 pesos, Madam. Mine alas, up to medium, 149. Alas, up to medium. For only 149 pesos. Mayan, alas, next time, Madam.
Mayan, alas dam. This one, pwede pang cover up. See-through siya, madam, need ng inner. For only 149 pesos. Mayan, movie. My movie, medium, madam. For only 169. My movie, medium, madam.
Next, Madam, for only 169. Wait lang, Dam, ha? Saglit lang, Madam. Meron talagang ano, Dam, nananadya. Charis. Wait lang, Madam, ha?
My movie, for only 169.
69 pesos. Alas is 169 pesos. Ako ni Alas siya. Ay, Reese.
Alas, madam, Belbeth Tupal, yours na si Alas. Please go screenshot. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Second minor, Madam Aliyah Clarin. Madam, cancel lang daw si yesterday.
Wala man tayo yesterday na po. Estate?
Oh,
Madam Beth, cancel lang yesterday. Okay, Madam Beth, cancel na po, Madam. Nato'y second minor. Kisa to'y second minor. Dam, baka may gusto mag-mine kay ano, Dam, estate. Next time, Madam.
down small. Small, madam, for only 169 pesos. Mine cover. Mine cover, small, madam, 169. Mine cover, small, madam, 169. Mine cover, small, madam, 169. Mine cover, next, madam.
Mayan cover. Mayan cover for only 169 pesos. Next time, Madam. Down this one. Ay, ang ganda nito, Madam. Okay na si Alas, no? Cancel lang. Mommy? Madam Melbeth, Dam, asa gani ato yung may mind daw ay cancel? Kani, Madam, or katong strike? Katong gi-cancel na ni mo ganiha, Madam Beth. Mama to siyang na yesterday katong gi-cancel niya una siya. Next time, Madam, for only 169 pesos. Down this one, up to medium. Down this for to medium, for only 169 pesos. Mayan lugar. Madam Beth, na-cancel na po, Madam. Down up to medium, for only 169. Ano ko? Mine lugar. Mine lugar, Madam, up to medium for only 169 pesos. Mine lugar, up to medium, 169. Lugar, up to medium. Next time, Madam.
Mine lugar, down this one, medium. Medium, madam, for only 169 pesos. Mine walking. Mine walking, medium, madam, for only 169. Mine walking, medium, madam, 169. Mine walking. Madam Aliyah Clarin, yours na si yesterday. Please go screenshot. 1 to 3, 1 to 3.
Madam Aliyah Clarin. Madam, NLM, nakuhuli ka na talaga kayo, Dam. Namahin na ni Madam Aliyah. Dam, next. Sige lang, Madam. Ikaw ang next. flex kapag hindi makapag-DP si Madam Alia Dam. Down this one, medium yun, Madam NLM. Magpa-second minor po ba kayo, Madam NLM? New minor naman si Madam Alia. Just in case hindi po siya makapag-down payment, ma-automatic sa inyo po yung item. Hello, Madam Ariel Lopez. Good afternoon, Dam. Down this one, up to large. Up to large, Madam, 169 pesos. Mine. Okay, Madam Alia. Thank you po, Dam. Dam, up to large, Dam. Ganda to, Madam. Mayan. Tiger. Mine, Tiger, up to large for only 169 pesos. Mayan, Tiger, up to large, 169. Tiger, up to large, 169 pesos. Next naman, Madam.
Madam Alia Clarin, new minor po kayo, Madam. Please send us your complete details and 100 pesos down payment. One time only and deductible to your invoice. Please check your messenger, Madam Alia Clarin. Meron pa akong piniim sa inyo, Madam.
Mine, Tiger.
Tiger.
Down this one for only 169. Small, Madam. Small, Madam. Mine, Gcash. Mine, Gcash, Madam. Small, Madam, for only 169. Mine, Gcash, Madam. Small, 169. Mine, Gcash. Next na, Madam.
Mayan, Gcash. Ay, Madam, Maya. Pretty to, Madam.